What's up? What's up, people? This is my 2007 Civic Si. I'm having a problem with it. I haven't turned it on yet because you could hear it better with a cold engine. So it's kind of like a rattling noise. Not too sure where it's coming from. It's under the hood though for sure. You could hear it a lot more when I'll turn the car on and show you it. It's kind of like a right there it is. I'm not touching the clutch down, I'm not touching the gas, the brake, nothing. I got the e-brake on, I'm parked. The car has a little more than 67,000 miles, as you can see, and I'm idling right now. This is just a fucking terrible noise. Every time I press the clutch down a little bit, it'll stop. I've just pressed it down. I'm not hearing the noise anymore. I just let it off. Let's go to the front and see.